Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix Note 8 phone. So first of all, I'll start very quickly by holding the volume up key and the power key. So I hold them at once and this will give us the Infinix logo. And when you see the Infinix logo, you release the buttons immediately. So when you see this, it will take you to the command mode that you see right now here. And what happens here, I have to click in a command that will take you to the recovery mode. And this sequence goes like this: volume down key, power key, you hold them at once, and power the volume up key. So this will take you here. When you reach here, you're going to go ahead and say, you click the volume buttons to navigate, wipe catch partition, then you click yes, then you go down and say wipe data and factory set, and click wipe. You click the volume, the power key to accept changes, and this will then after you have to go to restart the phone. Then the phone will start and then you will click. In my case, I'm going to stop from here, and you have to make sure your phone is fully charged. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and have a nice time. Goodbye.